Hey guys, so today's video is going to be long overdue, at least for the month of March, but it's okay because better late than never. And it is my March 2020 Boxyluxe unboxing. Originally I wasn't even going to unbox this box like on camera or anything. Like I mentioned to you guys in my last video, I was in a funk for most of the month of March, and then I realized I actually participated in the Boxy Pop-Up, which I never really do, and it's just like previous box items are super discounted and you can purchase them for like a super discounted price and stuff like that. And I actually purchased, I don't know, 5 or 6 things, and I wanted to share that with you guys, so I just decided to combine them both together and still film it, even though this video will literally be going up a week after April has already started. Really quickly guys, one thing that I forgot to mention was that just because I'm uploading this Boxyluxe unboxing in April does not mean that you won't get an April unboxing. You'll just get 2 BoxyCharm unboxings for the month of April. You're welcome. So this is what the box looks like this month. It's super rectangular, like I can't even fit it into the frame almost. This is what the box looks like this month, and it is BoxyCharm Pretty Edgy. Just kidding, I got version 5, variation 5. So first things first, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this guy. So first thing is this Elizabeth Mott Smooth Shadow Eye Pencil Duo. It just looks like this. It says this gel eye pencil glides on easily, feels like satin, and goes from day to night in an instant. Full-size product retails for $40. Oh, there's actually 2 pencils in it. I thought it was like 2-sided. And it says you can sharpen it. That's pretty cool. This shade, this is like a super dark one, like a dark brown one, and it's in the shade Raven. And the other one looks like it might be like a champagne-y color. And this one is in the shade Pearl. So that's pretty nice. It's like getting 2 products for 1. So that's pretty cool. So 40 bucks, 2 eye pencils, not bad. The next thing in the box is I'm actually gonna go with this guy, and I actually chose this one. Like I've mentioned before, you get to like customize your boxes every so often. You get to like make a choice or whatever, and then Boxyluxe, you get to pick like 1 or 2 items that goes in your box, and this was actually one of them that I chose. And it is the Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent Spray. My hair is color treated, for those of you that don't know. Last year I dyed it purple, like my whole head purple, so it is color treated, but I haven't dyed it since. It's just been growing out. And it says, shield your hair color from daily damage. Protect and Prevent Spray helps keep your hair color from fading or becoming brassy by protecting it from exposure to environmental factors that weaken the hair. I mean, now that I'm actually reading it, it's not necessarily going to help me, but maybe I can like give this to my mom or something and have her test it out and see what she thinks about it. Or maybe I can test it and see. I just saw Moroccan oil, I think, and that's why I was like, oh yeah, I'm definitely gonna get that. Full-size product, and it retails for $30. Next thing, or things in the box, we're just gonna grab these guys right here. And these are the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, or Boom Boom Cream, and the Coco Cabana Cream. Just looks like that, and they're adorable. They're little travel sizes. They're super, super cute. I've actually tried this one before, and I really, really liked it. It smells really good. It's like perfect for traveling because you can just toss it in your like toiletry bag. So having both of these will come in handy really well. These are, I think, deluxe size samples, and they retail for $15. Next thing in here, we're just gonna reach for this guy here. And this is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment. I'm not going to swatch this because I don't believe NARS is cruelty free. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure they're not. And so I won't be using this. I'm probably just going to donate this or give it away. But this is like a beautiful color. And this packaging is like kind of edgy and everything. I kind of like it. A powerful concentrate of our most powerful matte yet. Fluid Pigment Complex, liquefied pigment with a zero gravity feel, introduces infinite matte color, saturation with ultra flexible, long lasting wear. So that sounds promising. Retail value is $25. So that's pretty good. Next thing in the box, we're gonna go with this little one, and then we'll get into the three like bigger items. And these are the Deborah Lipman Fire on the Horizon and Can't Stop the Feeling nail polish duo. These actually look really, really pretty. I personally have acrylics. Right now with this whole COVID-19 thing, I'm gonna have to figure something else out for them. But I personally don't paint my nails anymore. But these are really, really cute. Like, the packaging on these are really, really cute. I believe my sister will like these. This is a full-size product, I believe. And this retails for $19. Now onto the big boys. Let's start with this one down here. And this is the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. You guys, I'm so excited about this. I can't even begin to tell you. I love this color. For one, it matches my Clarisonic Mia Smart 2. I think it's the Mia Smart 2. Anyway, so I got mine in teal. I'm gonna say it's teal because I don't think it shows any other color, but I'm gonna say this is like seafoam green or teal. And it says, PMD Clean is a smart facial cleansing device with over 7,000 vibrations per minute. Our Sonic Glow technology not only ensures a deep cleanse, but provides a way to lift, firm, and tone problem areas for a more youthful appearance. Retail value is 99 doll hairs. Yikes. That's expensive, you guys. But, I mean, I've heard a lot of good things about this. Right now, I've only been using my Clarisonic, so I'm going to have to figure out how to incorporate this. It looks like I will be using this in the shower and giving you guys my opinion on it. By the way, I put everything back in the packaging, so then when I go to use it, it's like I'm using something that's brand new as opposed to like taking it out of the box. And I mean, I guess it really doesn't matter, y'all don't care. Last two items in my BoxyCharm box, Boxyluxe box, and then I will get to the Boxy Pop-Up. So let's just go ahead and go with this guy here. And this is a BoxyCharm exclusive eyeshadow palette. So BoxyCharm, I believe, made this, and it is the Hello Charmers BoxyCharm eyeshadow palette. Ooh, these colors actually look gorgeous. I will definitely have to do a video with this because I could see myself using some of these quite often, so stay tuned for that. I'm actually really, really excited about this. Oh, it says this exclusive Hello Charmer palette features a blend of 12 matte and shimmery shades made specifically with our charmers in mind. Highly pigmented, delivers maximum payoff, smooth textures for transitional day to night looks. Retail value is $39. So I'm pretty excited about this. This is actually an eyeshadow palette that I think I can see myself using. It's coming into like spring and summertime, so I do start to do more dramatic or kind of out there looks, so stay tuned. And the last thing is this guy right here. And this is the Sutra Beauty Mini Ceramic Curling Iron with Cool Tip. And I got mine in the shade Pastel Yellow. And I believe I have a Sutra straightening iron, like a flat iron. And it's mini, so I'm pretty excited to like have all these like mini hair tools. But this is just what it looks like, and it is this pastel yellowish look. And it just has the little wand. And this guy is a full size, well, it's not full size, it's mini. But this mini size is retailed value for $50. So now I'm just gonna get out my handy dandy calculator and add up the entire retail value of the box.
50 plus 15 plus 39 plus 99 plus 25 plus 40 plus 19 plus 30.
$317 is the total retail value of this month's box. Well, last month's box. That is insane. I paid $50 for this. And even if I took out the 2 items that I'm giving away, like, that's still over $200. Like, that's, what, 30 and 25? Yeah, $55 that I'm taking out. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and get into the Boxy Pop-Up. So, the Boxy Pop-Up box doesn't look like anything. It's just a standard box. So I'm literally just going to pull the things out and talk about them. So, first things first are these Teamy Honey spoons. They're all natural and gluten-free, and if I haven't mentioned before, I have a gluten sensitivity, so these just sounded really good. I also have like really been wanting like honey tea, like honey in my tea, so it's Teamy Honey spoons, right? But anyway, they just sounded really good, and I personally like to put like sweetener in my teas, but I'm trying not to use so much sugar. Not that honey's any better, but honey gives a different flavor. So I just thought that these would be really fun to grab. You know what I'm realizing is that they didn't give me like a receipt sheet so that I would know how much they were, but I'm pretty sure everything that I bought was less than $10. So it was like $3 to like $7 or $3 to $8. But yeah, so I'm really actually excited. It comes with 6 spoons, so I'm pretty excited about that. The next thing I got was actually an item from one of the previous Boxyluxe boxes that I did really want, but I don't know why. I think it was that particular box got sold out, or I forgot to choose what I wanted, something along those lines. But anyway, it is the Clean Skin Club Fruit Infuser water bottle. I'm actually really excited about this, but I didn't realize that it was so small. Like it's 32 ounces, which is actually kind of small considering I drink like almost a gallon a day. But anyway, it's really cute. The infuser, you can see, is on the inside right there, and I love the idea of having like lemon mint water or strawberry mint water or really anything with mint. But yeah, so I'm really excited. Probably having flavor always helps me drink more water, so this will come in handy. But I got this cup right here. It's a little wine tumbler, and it says, "Is it too early for wine? Asking for a friend." And it's pink. I'm not the biggest fan of pink, but that's the only shade that this came in. So I just kind of went with it. But it matches my sweater today, so that's pretty cool. And it comes with a straw, which is really cool, and it also, like, you can take the straw out and it comes with like the little sippy top. But I love this, and you know, it probably keeps your drink cold for however long. But yeah, really cute. I'm excited to use that. Next thing is actually something, I haven't gotten this particular scent, but I have gotten one of these items in a previous Boxyluxe, and then also in like a FabFitFun like starter kit that I was able to get a hold of. But this is the Spongel Beyond Cleansing Body Wash Infused Buffer, and I got mine in the shade Beach Grass. They literally just look like this, or like sometimes they're in like different shapes, but you just wet them and you just buff your skin. It's just like a loofah, but it's like infused with body wash in it already. Finally, the last item, not that I needed anymore, but I got this 5-piece brush set. It is by Royal & Lang Nickel, and it is the Moda Pro 5-piece Deluxe Eye Kit. And I personally, I think I have a few. I have like the Artiste like dupes. But it comes with a smudger brush, a shader brush, so a liner brush, a nice blending brush, like a nice crease brush, and then like a small detailed brush. So yeah guys, that completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!